Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorial section. In web design and development tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Bootstrap 5 tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my Bootstrap tutorials where I am explaining Bootstrap in depth and step by step guys. In this video, I would like to discuss Bootstrap Carousel related classes. What is carousel? Carousel means slideshow guys. Carousel is used to create a slideshow for cycling through a series of content such as images or text. Carousel is used to create image slideshow, text slideshow guys. Let's have a demo and understand. I minimize everything. Here I have my website folder. I open it. I right click on default.html page, say open with notepad. You can see the default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with Google Chrome. You can see default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to Bootstrap demo. If you want to create a slideshow or a carousel, simply go to Google and search for Bootstrap 5 carousel. Click on the link. It takes you to carousel page. Okay, carousel page. You can see it is showing Bootstrap version 5.0. If you go down, you find example carousel and its code guys. Simply copy the code and paste it in your page. I pasted. Let's understand the structure and classes being used. Here there is a div with an ID carousel example slides only. So they have identified the div uniquely by giving an ID of carousel example slides only. And you can see there is a class carousel space slide. What is carousel class? Carousel class is essential for creating carousel. Simple. Slide class enables sliding guys. Okay. What slide class does? It enables sliding. Okay. And then you can see we have one more div here. One more div with the class of carousel inner. What is carousel inner class do? Carousel inner class contains all the carousel items. So if you see here, we have three divs and they have class carousel item. You can see carousel item, carousel item. Okay, carousel item class styles each carousel item. Carousel item class styles each carousel item guys. And inside the carousel item div, we have image. Here I am going to remove this alternative text attribute because I don't want to use. You can keep it if you want. Here we should mention the images. Okay, you can see here in the images folder I have already pasted the images. I am going to use them. Okay, here I say images / desert.jpg. I am going to copy this and paste here. Next what we have jellyfish. I copy the name and paste here jellyfish.jpg. Next we have penguins. Okay, I am going to copy this and paste here and say here penguins penguins.jpg. If I save this, our carousel will be ready guys. I go to my page and reload. You can see our carousel is ready. It is going to be an automatic slideshow, image slideshow guys. Understanding? Now what I do here, I am going to add the controls. I am going to add the previous control. I am going to add the next control. So for that what we have to do? Simply copy these two buttons. Okay, you can see we have two buttons and you have to paste below the carousel inner div. Okay, I am going to copy and paste below this div, carousel inner div. You can see we have two buttons. Here we have one button, here we have another button, and I don't want this span which is visually hidden. I don't want this span also which is also visually hidden. Okay, I save this. If you see, button has class carousel control previous. This button has class carousel control next. Carousel control previous styles the previous control button. Carousel control next styles the next control button. And inside the button you can see we have span tag with the class carousel control previous icon. Carousel control previous icon is used to show previous control button. You can see I am going to save this one. Go to browser and reload. You see we have previous control button and also there is a next control button. So that is carousel control next icon. This displays the next control button icon, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. But these two buttons are not going to work. If I go here and click on the button, see I am clicking on the previous button, I am clicking on the next button, nothing is happening. Why? Because the buttons have data BS target set to hash carousel example controls, HTML element with the ID carousel example controls. On that only these two buttons work. If you carefully observe, our div has a ID carousel example slides only, which we replace with carousel example controls. Now these two buttons work on this carousel div. I save it, go to browser and reload. Now you see if I click on the previous button, we see previous image. Click on the previous button, we see previous image. Click on the next button, we see the next image. Click on the next button, we see the next image. So that is about control buttons, guys. Very easy, right? Next, if you want, you can add indicators also. So what indicators do, they allow you to go to a specific slide directly. See, second slide, click, third slide, click, first slide, like that. You can add the indicators by this div. See, there is a div called carousel indicators. I'm going to copy that and paste it after these two buttons, or you can paste before this div, guys. Okay, it is your wish. I am putting here down carousel indicators. This class is used to display indicators, and you see it also has three buttons. As we have three images here, three carousel item, carousel item, carousel item. So three buttons. And if you see here, data BS slide 2, 0, 1, 2. So this one is considered as 0, this one is considered at 1, this one is considered at 2. Okay, it starts with 0, guys. And also you see here, area label, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, like that they have given the labels. And if you observe, data BS target is set to carousel example indicators. What we have here, carousel example controls. So these indicators are not going to work. So what I have to do, I have to change this ID. I'm going to copy carousel example controls and paste here, and paste here. If I save this, go to browser and reload, we will have indicators at the bottom. If I click, you can see it is switching to the respective image, right? So that is how you can add the indicators, guys. Also you can add captions like this. You can add the content on each slide. How? With the help of caption. So you can see under every image there is a div with a class of carousel caption. Simply copy that and paste under every image. So under this image I paste it, and also I don't want the paragraph to display. I only want to display the image name. So H5 heading tag I keep it, paragraph I delete, guys. Okay, fine. And here simply I say desert. Okay, it's a desert image, so desert. Now we have this div, right? We have a div with H5. I'm going to copy this and paste down, and here I say jellyfish. Copy this, paste below the image, and it's a penguins image, so I am going to add penguins. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see under every image you see a caption. So it is a desert image, desert. Go to next, jellyfish image, jellyfish. Next, penguins, penguins caption. So like that you can add the caption, you can add more content also with the help of paragraph, guys, right? If you want to add one more image, how you do that? How you add image? For that you have to copy one of the carousel item and paste down. Okay, here in the carousel inner div, okay, carousel item, and just change the image. What we have is tulips image. Okay, I'm going to copy this and paste here, tulips, and I'm going to have a caption also same, tulips. Okay, we have added one more image, but one more thing we have to do, that is we have to add one more indicator button. So copy this and paste down, and here you change the database slide 2 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. You added 1, right? So 3. And here you see area labeled slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, you change it to slide 4. If I save it, go to browser and reload, you will definitely have 4 indicators. You see that. If I click on the last indicator, it shows us tulips, right? Previous, next. And it is completely responsive, guys. You see, it is completely responsive, right? I hope you guys have clearly understood how we can add carousel or create image slideshow in Bootstrap step by step, guys. Okay, I suggest you people to try it yourself. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Bootstrap. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.